How lucky can one guy be? I kissed her and she kissed me. Like the fella once said, ain't that a kick in the head?
Well, this is our first Power Partner Poker Casino Mixer.
This event is going to be great.
Red, that's a kick in the head.
The Power Partner Poker program is a mixer atmosphere where you are partnered together with individuals in the same center of influence.
And I'm looking forward to the fun and excitement.
Come on down! I don't know how to gamble, but I hope you all do.
These events are a great way to collaborate with the Team Network family and be able to make those connections outside of your normal team chapter.
We're having a blast.
This is such fun.
I couldn't feel any better. Tell me quick.
I can't wait for the next one.
You guys are awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
And we're looking forward to the next one.
Tell me quick.
Come on down and see us at the next Team Referral Network's Power Partner Casino Mixer, coming to you in San Gabriel Valley, November 21st. See you there.